By default, every WordPress website uses the exact same login addresses, wp-admin or wp-login.php. This predictability makes your website an incredibly easy target for automated bots and brute force hacking attempts. Today, we are going to lock down your website by creating a custom, hidden login URL using Admin Optimizer. Unlike heavy, single-purpose security plugins that bloat your database and slow down your page speeds, Admin Optimizer handles this natively, cleanly, and efficiently. Let's dive in. In the Admin Optimizer dashboard, click on the Security section to reveal all security modules. Here, ensure the Custom Login URL module is toggled on. With the module enabled, look at your left-hand WordPress sidebar. Under the Admin Optimizer menu, click on Custom Login URL to open its configuration page. Here, we have two simple but highly effective options. First, the Custom Login URL, which is the new secret path you will use to access your dashboard. Second, the Redirection Login URL, which determines exactly where unauthorized users or pesky bots are sent if they attempt to access your old default login page. Let's set your new secret entry path. In this example, we are typing in secure login. You can choose anything that is easy for you to remember, but difficult for hackers to guess, such as MemberGate or MySecureEntry. Next, we will configure the redirection path. We're going to input 404 here. This means whenever bots try to access your old login page, they will be automatically redirected to your site's standard page not found error screen. This completely tricks bots into thinking your login page doesn't even exist, which saves you valuable server bandwidth. You can also redirect to a completely different page if you like. For instance, sending them to your home page ensures that real users who just typed the wrong address aren't left confused. Alternatively, you can redirect them to a custom access denied page with a helpful link back to your main public content. Now, click Save Changes. Before you close this tab, it is absolutely crucial that you bookmark your new login URL or write it down. Once these settings are saved, the default login page will no longer work, and you must use your new custom link to get back in. And just like that, our new secret login URL is live and working perfectly. Anyone trying to sneak in through the old login address will get hit with a dead-end 404 error, keeping your site safe and secure behind the scenes. To maximize your defense against hackers, make sure to pair this with our block failed login and two-factor authentication modules available right here in Admin Optimizer.